My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Nissan Juke. This vehicle has done just under 13,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control, voice control and automatic wipers. On our screen we can access audio, menu, navigation and our 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.